Hello everyone, my name is Martin. I want to show you my software which I did for GameMaker Studio. If you hate getting correct positions for Lengthdir X and Y as I hate, this will make your life easier. So look on my example. We want to create that cute particle effects for thrusters more times here, but we want to create that effects on the correct positions. And we also don't want to guessing a Lengthdir X and Y for it. So what we will do? We will open my software for it. I will close this and I will open my software. Now I will drop the chip image here, or I will search for it. So I will search for it, I will open it, and it will show that image here. Okay, now when I click on some position, it will create a point for me. So I will drag that point to our left thruster and rename it left thruster. Okay, now I will create the next one, which will be middle. And now I will create the last one, right. Okay, I'm done with it. Now the last thing which we need to do is export that to GML. So I will click this and it will open the code for me. I will copy that code and paste it to my project. I will paste it here, and now it creates that point X and Y for each point. So I will just copy this, paste it to my emitter, and I will make it 3 times. Now I will run it and we will see it's easier than we actually thought. Oh yeah, the particle is emit on the right positions. I hope you like this video. I hope you will like this software which I did for us. And yeah, if you like it, you can support me, and see you later.